We are on our national adventure. Andrew, Alison, Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. If you haven't already hit subscribe, please do so now. Ring the bell and give this video a big thumbs up. This week we are in Tybee Island. This week in Tybee Island, we're exploring the beaches as well as the pier and pavilion and the Fort Screven's 19th century concrete gun battery, as well as taking a look at the lighthouses and some historic homes before playing on the beach. So last night we made it in. Everybody woke up this morning, got ready, and we are headed for Tybee Island.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it's all about. It's supposed to be one of the top 5 beaches in Georgia. Very close to Savannah, very close to where we're staying right now at Skidway Island State Park. So let's get going.
Coming into Tybee, we wanted to explore the history first before hitting the beach. So Fort Screven was once an important, a very integral part of America's coastal defense. It's right at the mouth of Savannah, and it was designed to protect that riverfront. So the town of Tybee in tourism took over in 1947, but this area was huge in the Spanish-American War as well as World War I and World War II. So much of the 1950s, the forts buildings had been converted over by private owners, and today the visitors, you can just go and look at the beautiful homes and buildings, or you can take a tour through the lighthouse or the Battery Row.
Bundling up Tybee Island.
All bundled up to go to the beach.
First things first, we're gonna get some lunch at the Sunrise Restaurant.
Are you ready to go to the beach?
Yeah! Yeah!
After having a bite to eat, we headed down to the pier. Now, the pavilion and pier was once known as Tybee Pavilion, but it burnt down, and so it was later rebuilt. But this place has always attracted big bands and tons of entertainment. Hundreds of visitors have always been coming to this specific pier. It is the hot spot of Tybee Island. So if you're in Tybee Island, you have to come for the 360 views or to chase the birds.
There!
You scared all the birds. There's so many birds.
Yeah, you got that! Yeah, there!
How many birds did you catch, Keeks?
I catched 14.
You caught a lot of birds. You guys were chasing all the birds.
And look, they're all up there now.
Yeah.
We scared them. I want to go in the water!
You are in a jacket. You think you can get in your swimsuit? Okay, I guess. I mean, we're this close to the beach, so why not take our shoes off and run in the water, right? Oh my gosh.
My shoes and now I'm gonna play in the water.
We've come down to the beach here at Tybee Island. It's a little chilly out.
Just a bit.
The girls wanted to actually get into their bathing suits because I did pack them, telling them we might go out to the beach, but I knew in the back of my mind that there was no way we were actually going to get the swimsuits and go today. But we had our jackets, and we were so close by the beach. We came out, took our shoes off, and they're just running through the water.
I'm at the point where I'm gonna have to take my shoes and socks off now and get on in there with them and brave the cold.
They're all screaming and having such a great time. So I'm happy that they can at least enjoy the beach, even in the cold water here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, Tybee Island, the downtown, it's like it's a beachfront town for sure. They've got lots of great spots to stop off and eat or have a snack. The little boutique shops where you can stop in and shop for a little bit. But the pier is great. Claire's telling me it's warm, but it is absolutely freezing out there.
It's actually warm to me. Because I've been in there longer, so it feels warmer to me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yes.
The beaches are amazing. There's over 3 miles of beaches here in all directions, and they're very wide and open, so you can find seashells or dance in the water puddles or build sand castles. It's a great place to have fun as a family and just explore or relax for the day. And if you're looking for a little bit more of an adventure, there is a small island called Little Tybee Island, and you can take a boat out for the day or to camp.
Alright, so the kids loved it. We were great here. It was a great time here on the beach at Tybee Island. The perfect getaway for us from being at home during the coronavirus.
Yeah, there's hardly anyone here. Of course, I guess I can't blame them. It is a little bit of a chilly day, but you know, it's so great to get out to the beach. The beach is great for kids anytime.
Yeah.
But you know, we tend to prefer not being around crowds of people and tend to prefer smaller little quaint towns to go and explore, and this is such a beautiful time to go and see the beach, so I'm happy we came here today.
Yeah, and that's what this channel is all about, exploring nature. Alright, let's go. Everybody's, even though it's cold, the kids still want to get some snow cones. They saw a snow cone store earlier. It was closed, but we're going to check and see if it's open now.
While the downtown has an incredible places to go and eat, for restaurants, we were specifically looking for a sweet shop, and we were able to find a sweet shop in particular for ice cream, and the girls all were able to find something that they enjoyed. Kiara has something she'd like to say about that in just a bit.
So they serve good ice cream and they serve really small spoons. But I like it. These are very tiny spoons. And the good part is that you can use any side.
Yeah, those are kind of cool. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. We are every Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next week we explore Jekyll Island and the history and beaches there.